What's up, my good people? Welcome back to my channel. Vlog with Bisimai. The channel is Vlog with Bisimai. Thank God for another day. Greetings to everyone, wherever you are watching me from. Yeah, today we have a special day. Walk with me so that I'll show you a special thing that I have for you. Here, walk with me as we explore the nature. We explore the nature in my community. In my community, I have some trees that are they use for this thing, oil, um, biscuit, chocolate. I'll show you. It's plenty here. So see, there's a trees around me. If you can see, I'm back. Yeah, there's a trees, plenty trees. That tree are used for that oil, biscuit, um, or how do you call it? Chocolate. Yes, you can get chocolate from this tree. So it's plenty here, as you can see. It's plenty here, plenty here. You can see it's plenty here. Yes, it's plenty. But now, it has been harvested. If like they have come and harvest. But during the rain season, it came more, and they come and uproot it and go and process it. So there's some tree here, some tree here. Yes. So it's a seed. So when you uproot it, you just remove the cover and eat. So that the seed or the ball, that's why they use it for to process. So this is how it is. So this is how it is. By as I said earlier on, they have harvested or they have. It's no unless next year that the seed will come again, so that they will come for it, go and process. Here and go to Burkina too. There's plenty there, and northern part of Ghana too. You can't count plenty. So when you want some, you come to northern part of Ghana. You get oil from it. Shea butter. If you know shea butter, you get shea butter oil and oil itself. You get. So this is the cowpea or millet. This is the millet. Some of the millet. Yes. This one you can use for drinks. They use for drinks. Yeah. You can use some for a drink called zonkom. Zonkom. You can use this one for zonkom. So it's plenty here. So this is how it is. But the name of the tree is Shea Butter tree. Shea Butter tree. Yes. You can use for shea butter. And you can get pomade from it. Yes. It's very good for the skin and use for pomade. It's natural pomade, so it doesn't spoil you. Natural. It's natural, so it doesn't spoil your skin. It's good for every weather, whether rain or shine. Yeah, the pomade is good for your weather. It's good for your skin. Good, so you apply for it. You can get chocolate from this seed. This you can get chocolate. You can get as I said, oil. You can get biscuit. They use it for biscuit. Biscuit. see. They use it for biscuits. It's plenty. All the trees are so. All the trees are that. All the trees are the shea butter tree. The shea butter. So yeah, that's it. So, all the trees are shea butter. Yeah, so there's a new building ongoing building, and the shea butter trees around the area. The shea butter tree. Yes, it's plenty, but not area. This area as a whole, but in the northern part of Ghana, it's plenty here. So if you want some process to make your drinks, everything ever, move to, or come to the northern part of Ghana. Come and get some from the farmers. Yes, tamale, wa, burger. Yeah, and you come, you get some from the farmers. If you like, it depends the arrangement you do, you make with them. You can make arrangement with them so that you go with them in the farm to go and pick it, or they'll bring it from the farm and you come and buy it from the house. So it depends the agreement you have with the farmers. Come to the northern part of Ghana to kind of have your come for your business, or shea butter tree, or the seed, shea butter seed, shea butter seed. Yes, it's plenty here. You can see it's plenty here. Man, back the trees there are the shea butter trees. Yes, so this is how it is. So come, and the seed tree is nice, nice. But I have one advice or business idea. The seed itself or the fruit. Let me see the fruit. When you peel it, you eat. When you finish eating the ball, that you get the oil from that. You put it on the water. You boil. First, you dry it before. You dry it before, and you dry it before. But I don't know much about the process how to make the oil. But I know you dry after you finish eating the fruit itself, the seeding. You dry it. So that I don't know much about it. But the fruit, if you can use it for drink when you come for it. You then wash all the fruit and you remove the cover and use either your hand or machine to squeeze or to remove all the fruit from it. Then you mix. So you remove the seed from the fruit and you either use your hand to squeeze or machine or whatever you use to squeeze. And you finish, you can also process it and use for fruit juice. It's very tasty. It's very sweet. Oh, it's very sweet. Yes. So this one you can also bring improvement. Yeah. So yeah, shea butter tree. And want more, come to northern part of Ghana. Thank you very much. Can you subscribe to my channel, share and comment.